We salute now for outside the country people them as soon as Sabi PG News debate, the last one inside the month for February country people them. Plenty thing them they be pass inside the week we go look inside. Sabi say governor for inside Douala. Where they call Samuel Jodone Iva Dibois, he be get serious ndongamen with the Okada people them. He say order, he must to come for that sector for Douala. But the order, he go fit for come. Big question how the struggle for us. Sabi say if Reminoni, one time Prime Minister, he be sign book for how we Okada put the girl for work. But so now, that book, he did like say they never respect her. We go take una to talk. Chapter for case them for insecurity will be get them inside the week. For Yasa, na people there they cut gas into two way they catch them. We go take una to go for a place where they call them say Consamba where they be showing some people them. Judicial police people them too for Bonanjo. Them say they be catch some two men them where they come thief for Douala. Then take and go for Yawende. Tori too, we go try for look inside this chapter from the village, now from what subdivision, where the year say just now, now killing any kind of way, any man, he don't get power for inside. They will try for talk that chapter inside a PG News debate and Sabi Sep country people them. Chapter for Corona, we go talk. With the year say the number don't go again for up as well. They hear them. But are waiting administrators and they do for say make their people them to the Sabi or that one them so go try for talk. But Sabi said say na day way mountain race too, it go dey happen, mountain race dey happen inside place where they call them say Boya and na the number 26 edition. For this number 27 day for inside February where they meet up. Inside Tori House, we get two people them. I want to start for salute. Oga Jan, where we talk for Asia, say he no be well. But thank God, he don't wake up, he don't strong, he don't come it up with. And the Troy salute, Oga Jan Divine.
Thank you, Ambassador, for saying I don't come back again for the beginning of since the year started. Now my first time this will come back
Happy
again.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
All right, and we talk to Troy big salute for Oga Jones, na person na Sabi. Na person for Moderna, but apart from party way day, na Tori man too. Jones, a Detroit salute.
Thank you, Ambassador. Na big glad for me as I come today again for MA with Tori for contribute to salute for all contribute the way they don't gather for outside the Shidong for chair fine and then they put Bangen show. Bangen board and Chang show. Say they go here to riff today. We go knock as hope. Say this story we go knock on today. Could go a long way for help for nation building because all to want and same country it go before.
All right, now for country for go for before Tori for corner side before we enter for Tori except this for PG News debate. We sabi say inside the week plenty people they don't talk as we honorable them member them for parliament they start for vex with Congress people them for Joe Biden in country for Sika the report with the Komotam concerning human rights abuse for inside problem where the pass for Northwest and Southwest. Plenty people them they talk say since this problem starts even for National Assembly, honorable them they never ever turn up for talk. But when Congress people them for Joe Biden in country they wake up talk, they start for talk say they don't talk lie. Jones. This one way they happen just now. This week now the thing that we don't the waka as we honorable them for we country. They don't last week come for that sleep. But some they talk say no. It over late since 4 years, 5 years. They never ever talk. They wake up the attack different people there. They don't talk their talk.
Now big shame for honorable them. Sorry to say no be fine thing, but na shame and then a disgrace. All time we go for all put their face for all country for this world for go disgrace for herself for go show how incompetent will be for go show how undemocratic will be because we know we there for country where we get honor them and this honor them so they be supposed to be na put them way that the year suffer for people them for country different small country them carry them go down for that big house where they go sit down talk among themselves right be them propose them for big power say big power na things over the people they suffer if we do so this side you go work our country go before if we do so this side all man go get glad for your heart but unfortunately they not be do that work fine the one the way they be there before they not be do the work fine and then we can't get this problem we get them as we get them for North and Southwest now we for the past 4 years people that don't die in their numbers. But for inside the assembly, we never ever hear on the open audience say, may they talk about the problem where they did Northwest people, the Southwest people, they face them, so that the warfare comes to an enemy, they come back to normal. No man ever talk about the time the way people don't attempt to talk about the power for that house. we don't deny say may no man not talk about the thing for inside the house. So they up to today, even for Senate, they never ever talk about the thing. But up till now, we don't figure how many times with different Senate and different assembly for different countries they don't talk this thing. Congressmen they don't talk. Before say Joe Biden want decline for chair, for time for Donald Trump, they be so the top of the palaver. Say me government see into how they could solve this problem. Me bullet the stuff for the fly for me popcorn stuff for the fry. But we don't stop. We only continue to push them. Now, after some time, say we know that that's also country. What today they blast. Say why the congressmen they talk so. We don't send security support for this country so that against terrorism. Where they be take they use them differently because they be take against Boko Haram. They take and use them for key civilians for Northwest and Southwest. But unfortunately, it be so shocking. Say today because the country don't talk say Muna see how we go solve problem. It been at the one way when I go start the throw them backlashes. I think say no be correct thing for do. The correct thing for do na say me you sweep your house fine. Me neighbor no stand for outside. Since your house dirty, begin the point finger say if fancy me is that can enter your house, show you how they give for the maintain dirty. Because now we give for wash this house make clean. Now we be Cameroonian, now we get the solution for a problem. Because ambassador, I tell you, it's anyone in Africa. One man of a bring solution for problem for inside Africa. If you bring solution from one man country, that means you try to put square peg inside a hole. Now we know our Poland them better. I think some of our Poland them not already show sign for immaturity for semi other Poland they come out can they educate we on how to solve our Poland. Meanwhile we know the truth. We live inside the truth and because Mr. Biya be one of those who know this anglophone problem. Pass me and you will stand for here. So the talk say me pa pity we our blood overflow. Make see how we it could solve the problem. I don't know how far, but you know the solution. How if we do for solve this problem, me peace come back.
And Sabi say no be na blood for the no na blood for only anglophone the throw away. We get blood for the uniform people them too. All them na the same people them. So the blood don't throw away plenty. Oga Jang, Congress people them for America they talk concerning the kind of what in the way they pass for country. We honorable them, they don't talk back, say they talk lies, say most of the two they document and say no na two way be proven. And some people that they talk say it don't be late. They expect them say maybe they do that thing now for inside National Assembly, no na for talk back for people there.
Yes, you know, Manguish don't inside Zing house and they ever complaining rain. How are the days so they did they fine and not in the worry them. As not in the worry they talk say no na only blood for civilian that they throw away. You know. Anything where it happen for Cameroon here, not necessarily the office over, but honorable them. They never ever accept and say problem there for Cameroon. First in that. But other country the way they use that they say and say problem there for Cameroon. And Cameroon and the way they dey for top, they no one can say many problem finish because some of them know the way they profit for the bank way they go on. And now why that? Not only civilian they die. Why then Calabash emit up stone or na stone emit up Calabash, na Calabash used to broke. All na say na civilian they suffer, no na government. Government ma wan go some place, it go na with amoka, gendarme and police and military they for it back. So they no know say problem there. Now why that now we with the back say as other country they don't start talk. Gas it don't come on inside house, it come on outside. Different people they don't start here smell for our gas for Cameroon. May they try for solve the problem.
Now you check say that one go be now like challenge for we honor them for number 11 day for month for March. They get for meet up for International Assembly. You check say that one a challenge now for say me they do otherwise.
Yes, I think say that a big challenge for honor them. They give for show we say true. They be now honor them, especially they honor the way they come up for that side for Northwest and Southwest. Now a big challenge them for now because if they fit discuss part of this thing where they happen for this country where no fine for National Assembly, either for good or for bad, it shows that they fit discuss anything concerning the matter for National Assembly. Because if yesterday we be denied say we no want to talk about the thing for National Assembly. And then today we talk about the thing because some man for different side on the point finger for inside our eye, it shows say they there for National Assembly they know where they happen. So I got the bet for the Lengala Jera then way in a young man too we come up for that side for Donga Mantum when an MP for that side for Donga Mantum and you colleague them who they come up for Northwest and Southwest, make them match fire. See I'm into it say make Kabaye get Jibril when our grandpa make sure say me open discussion on that thing for National Assembly. Me they see how they feel talk honestly and sincerely because they live that honor them. Me they tell them the truth for the matter and the way out for the matter. I think say that honor them so they go surely tell them because they don't witness all the things that way they happen for that side, because none of them know it also, they don't know what they happen for Ground Zero. They know very well if they leave them, tell them, same they open up their mind, tell them the truth. I think say they go tell them truth, and then they go talk for Misabia with your own experience and your own thing where you know about the Anglophone problem. I think say you go know how we go come out with a solution for this problem. So that means bullets stop for the fly for me, mommy and papa them turn back for house, because as we the tongue now, so cry the still come up for that side for Banga Bakundu. For put the way they inside bush, woman the way they inside bush, one day they believe that they born for inside bush, it no be something they laugh about. And they receive the credit every day will not find. So people they give for go back for their houses, people they give for go back to their normal activities. Even our economy for this country, because now people they cry corona all over the world, but we will not only get a corona. We get even this war for northwest and southwest will cripple our economy. So time don't reach whether or not they give for not come to on the table, talk say that they represent the people, they give a talk for on behalf of the people for northwest and southwest they suffer, may they see how they go solve the problem.
Okay, Jang, challenge for we honor them. Number 11 day for Moon for March. They get for meet up for the first time inside this year. If I no meet up, no make mistake. You check in a challenge for them now, so for take this problem for inside their own skin, for saying that their problem be that.
Yes, it talks on again na corona, na only coronavirus. We will even get corona leaders for Cameroon here where they no want to say maybe matter finish. But na challenge and na big one where they send them for them say the same as they get meeting or say on the 13th.
On the 11th.
On the 11th. May they try look into that matter. May that matter be top of agenda for anything where they want to come for that day. And Anglophone the way they did for assembly. May they where they know and they know the history for the country. May them try for say, may they see pa where na cover yege, may try look the matter. For solve the problem, not be something, but they not only one solver.
Okay. Make we take una enter for some of the things that they pass inside the week. We go start now for Douala. They say charity must ever start for we house. Inside the week, Governor for Littoral Region Samuel Jodone Fahadibua, he be there for outside with Okada people. Them governor don't knock am for table. Say all that confusion where they happen for Okada sides, it must to end. And he don't talk say law where they be don't fair put them for inside country concerning Okada people them. They go put them inside big order. Now I mean say waiting. People them wait this so or you be being an Okada man, you must to get identification. It means say you must to get number plates and you must to get close to for your ski where go get number on top where go show say you be Okada man, whether na for New Bell, you be Okada man for Bonaberi, you be Okada man for Kamiabashi, you be Okada man for BP City. So even this big man for someone syndicate for Okada, we talk for we he say na so them say they expect for Duam for Sika say that one he go identify people them. But when you make that one, other person too if you go make the same thing, if we are same number, now for they to a problem it is. So people themselves down, they be the talk on top the chapter sabi say Ephraim Inoni, time we Okada start for come out, it be sign book for as well they go organize this sector. But so today, that book where sign like Prime Minister, he just dey for inside cupboard, they never look am. And sabi say all team for inside Douala here, thief, they go call Okada people them. This one, Okada people them. Oga Jan, when you look this kind thing, the sector for Okada people them for Douala, you sure it's sure say they go ever fit for put order for inside there, as we governor don't talk.
Yes, for put order for inside Okada because you know it been an easy thing. You know most of the days where they don't think the way they be do, they don't live on. So when they don't join their Okada, if I look am fine, Okada don't employ more than towns of Cameroon and there. It may be after CDC where we be first for Cameroon, no Okada employ more than any other sector again. If government want look into this problem for Okada people, they may they look and find first. Now most of them they don't get their conscience. You know if you be the Okada man, then the other man can ask you say now what happen. They just join me into fight. So when they deal with these people then, they pass B, now only the B they pass there now we gone. Yes, Okada man B they pass there now we gone. May they look into their problem, may they look and find because now people they when they talk say they will do them, they will do they know they talk say tomorrow. They are today not today. So may government look into that matter, may they know as they handle them and they know say don't reduce unemployment for the country.
Jones, Okada people them. You sure say that if you ever bring order for inside that Okada sector for Douala here, where we know how to Douala big and plenty quarter them. They fit do am?
They no fit do am because you know say big book they talk say make you bend iron that way they stay hot. When it don't cool, for say make you bend am, it goes strong. We go over force and for bend I go broke in and broke. that Okada business they so now so I on that way they for Ben and tie with the hot. But as they don't live and so they think don't go now, you want struggle for Ben and I go broke and broke. And they used to talk some talk say, I don't know whether the language could Trump plenty, say now damn way mosquito land for your cannas where they know say no be opponent that they use power for solve. Somebody travel to tell Oga governor and say, now this palaver Okada made they take and small. Because as a Poland way look small but be very delicate. A Poland that will fit on this country upside down any minute. Because that Okada part for work, some work will be very sensitive. Because they work there so you get people the way they be the thief native before they leave thief can't enter inside Okada business. So one the day where they come out village and no get thief will do, they enter inside Okada business. So one the way they come out village, they don't know so they can't enter inside Okada business. And I want they been at the one way they don't find work stay. Work no day, they enter inside Okada business. So what they been when a student, whether they still go school, whether they you find the money with Okada for pay their school fees, for see they go get certificate tomorrow for enter inside market begin find work. So the Okada business it carry plenty people for this life, plenty people them. I don't get people whether they work for Chantier Nava. As work for Chantier Nava finish, you know get nothing for do it Okada. Come on for road. So when you look for inside Okada, you work and talk with the Okada people, you go display and say. Plenty people they inside Okada and no people the way they do Okada where they get master's degree as we talk. So and they get families for house. So when you want can't touch their activity, no say you they attack their chop. And when you attack their chop where they because a group of people, the majority of them, it would look 100 Okada people. 80 being a frustrated people. They be frustrated. Nobody says they know they touch money, but not be Okada what they want to do for life as business. But in a country we don't push them for war, make them do Okada business. Now they want to do Okada business, leave them inside the Okada business quiet. Because by the time you start to look for inside the show plenty in trouble, they look at because already Douala year one get more than 50,000 Okada the way they operate for inside town here. More than 50,000. If you want to go to deal without you then be very careful because country not give them job, they decide to employ themselves through this Okada. I think they just leave them for this. So see how way they feel coordinate the thing, the small, maybe they not take them by power. And then second I want to say, I go fit as a government feel regulate the sector. But what we look critically, we realize say this country get good laws and policies. Law the way that they pass for down, it find plenty, policy them find plenty, but application be problem. For some they put that me go through na for they query never come up because Oga Governor with the press that talk with the talk so me you push until me reach for last fight because sometimes when they talk so one open eye the glass say finally they no go 6 months back again on top Okada for last fight when I go forget about the thing just look for instance they be talk corona say if you know why catch me they catch you last fight will not be no play with that law be can end because now so put the worker enter office is them worker catch me I just see some people that way they wash it on for that side for inside public place without respecting social distancing the chop without catch and who go follow who so not be only for put fine law for country now for put the fine law put mechanism there for back make sure say that law they be respected if not I think say maybe the sitting and the laws will be useless. If not, make sure say people they respect the law then so that country will go before.
All right, and inside Toretto for this PG news as we talk the week we pass. We be get plenty cases them for thief cases and we'll record them for inside Tory house. The first, nothing we go concern you and me, mommy and papa them too for outside the people the way they use gas. We go take una go for your side when under plenty investigate where you make them so they anti-gang people them for inside judicial police station. Last they be meet up people them where they don't the thief gas for that side, so for inside Nyasa, for Douala here. Now then that way they so the commander, the chief, the big man for Antigan Harry Sama, he says be the show for our country people them. They say that we don't can give them complaints say whenever they bring gas for that place, they cut gas into two, then they put air, where when they finish do you go buy them, you go use and boil water one day, you want use and cook beans the next day, gas it don't finish. So all that one them so they be don't the follow up, so till last they cash these two with all their cargo them. But some they talk say no be not only them they do this thing, say me they police them, they continue their work for Sika say they continue, they go meet up other group for people them where they do the kind of thing. Gas, thieving for gas inside Douala. Na be net, but when the police will they don't start do their work, you just say they'll end for the wait if you talk.
We thank them very much for the good work they do because most of the time we want to talk about this key to them. They go say with the overcoach, but we know encourage them this time because they don't do farm work and we pray, as I don't talk earlier. So may they continue to do the farm work, so may they not stop now. and then maybe power governor too, and the delegate will be in charge of that sector. May they put head together, and the ministry will be in charge of that sector. Because nobody for Douala here. Any place that they sell gas now, so they practice the start, because if they put that gas for inside for Douala here, and then they start to manipulate, and so because you see the guys they inside truck them. We show that camion they so sometimes they come over here, they go back for some, so they go here one day or they go Gariwa. So if they start to manipulate and for here, so it shows us sometimes gas will be given for being at 24 kilogram. For last fight, you want to enter at 10 kilogram or 14 kilogram. We used to see people like me, so because I used to buy gas, I would go start to measure one bottle after the other, the measure and for hand, the travel see the one way it heavy past the other. Well, one minute they will tell say no, now machine the feed that gas bottle to them, no measure and so no worry. I say he be flop, no machine the put on you no man they put them away. People that they use pipe them. Transfer turn 2 gas bottle into 3 gas bottle for say me they make plenty money. I think say government don't do fine work this time. So if we talk today say social media don't do fine work because na through social media where the video baby become viral, where it make and so government to put eye for inside. So we clap to for social media and then clap for government for what they don't do. But thing what they talk now say make them match fire. If possible, all man where they be the retail gas. They say that me the man one of the things the way the man go buy am na a good skill. And where government give put the price control, the other people then where they control where they defend interest for consumer. Me the worker the test make sure that scale them be in good condition, in good shape. So that one can buy gas. If they talk say one bottle gas give away 24 kilograms, they put them on top kilo. If you know where 24 kilogram, me the knock them man stick. Because if not, as you catch chief man, I would the top of Okada so. As come and defy Palava Okada, people they could find another way they could use and won't be Okada. So me governor as the further put them in make sure say the one the way they sell them, make they get scale. Because if I go play for buy gas and not 6 scale, I will buy my own scale, work out inside my pack. I go for there measure them, enough flop the number way they talk for regulation. See gas but to get forget them. That means I not go buy gas, but now government give to do that work. So that mean when they come each time, or government will tell me that they work with scale. Worker control that body they sell gas, they put gas bottle on that scale, it not measure the quantity we suppose they inside. You go in for. I think say that thief could stop because if you leave them, they will go buy them. Maybe because the bank without that put a cheaper price, they can sell them for still the same 6,500. We consumer then they suffer the consequences.
Yes, Oga Jang, time will be the talk on top the matter, be the shake head. Say they like say the team don't do you sometimes.
Yes, the palava gas it don't cause problem for many marital home. My husband and woman. I buy gas one month, I finish. I get neighbor where a woman they don't fight because of palava gas. Say don't buy gas for same they born water for picky where they be a newborn baby. After 2 weeks, gas don't finish. If na the palava gas they talk, may they talk and fine. You say corruption don't chop Cameroonian their mind to the extent say go for Njombe play where they sell popo. You see they put whether na Tata they used to put them for down. They put popo there on top. The authority say you say they buy in a basket for popo. The tower they put them for your bag. Now that they say and say another flop. So if now the palava gas they don't start talking. Make price control as you talk say make the worker with scale. Now say now the palava scale you get to measure gas before you buy them. Palava gas don't too much for the country for to the extent say you know if you buy gas you use them for 2 months. Now Cameroonians they take that gas they cut them. Go to sell them for different people. They don't talk now say 1 bottle gas they give 3 bottles of gas. When not true. Whether the first side they take air where they air them. Immediately they open gas. Now that air they come out 2 days gas don't finish. So make the government look at and then make price control people. Not only gas they controller. Not in the worker. Even rice. If they say and say 50 kilogram. But go weigh that rice if it will reach 50 kilogram. So as they said and so police people the way they get that kind of idea. May they teach the other one there so that may go around the country.
All right, nothing for continue for praising the uniform people them do their work for insights for Konsamba 2. This week we pass Operation Konsamba Clean Phase 1. Naiwe Oga D.O. If Bertrand Nzana and the company commander for inside gendarme office for that side, so for Mongo North, the launch and inside this operation we already start. No na chapter for shoot gun, but na chapter for find a boy them where they disturb people them for inside Konsamba for no sleep. Commander Christian Freaks were na the CSO. Na he be the main man and a young boy with blood it is also flow for his skin. Now with the lookout company office for gendarme for that side. So inside the week, it take time for show Oga SDO for Mongo. If Bertrand Zana, some of the boy them with part 1, they don't catch them, the first result for Operation Konsamba Clean, phase 1, where it don't start them. They be did them 6, where they so the commander for Mongo North Gendarme Office, where they call him Commander Freaks, he show him for if Bertrand Zana, when at the senior divisional officer for Mongo. Just now, we go show now the boys them, now them that, they did them 6 in total. Sabi say na for Sika, plenty complain them. Oga SGO get someone there for your office. Commander 2 for gendarme, he get it home for office. So under this complaint, now when they start this Operation Clean Konsamba and plenty population, they be glad plenty. Say waiting, they don't put hand for some of the boys them where they give them night, they make and they know they sleep for night, where they sleep with one side eye, they open another one. Now the thing that way pass inside Mongo North Gendarme Office this week. And just for Sabi country people them, make we show now some of the things them where they catch them with this boy them. It be just they like say they begin a one big storeroom where they so they keep all the cargo them where they thief them. You feel say I'm say already flat screen tele. You go see say 5 Okada them. Now where they thief them, where they catch out them. No be na Okada na new one where they catch Okada people them kill them. Then they take and go with them. On top that chapter, country people them as one of the same na bag rise them to that where they thief them. That people there they get a choice for take all thing. Fan the tifam, gas bottle the tifam, computer, woofer, and even waiting, flat screen them, even desktop. Plus that one that they see I'm so for before. Whether the thief that one too now for use and do waiting for the people them, man no sabi, but now the thing them that way gendarme people they see them where they catch all them so bring them for before for say make 3 people them. They film them, plenty people them, they don't they ask question. Ambassador now wait till be the see so now ti wanna see where the thief people them say they thief am na that whether na for which woman they have to they go thief am we no sabi and blankets on top that they get even fake receipt them and head them for some machine that way they use them for a ton coffee. So now the thing them that where the gendarme put they catch them with these 6 boys them now part 1 for Operation Konsamba Clean. Oga Jang, these gendarme people them or maybe if you talk the gendarme for inside Konsamba na young boy first and he blood in the hot and plenty they don't declare saying a better work with the do.
Yes, I'll start for talk say it shows saying that young people they be so for work for the country. Make old people they give way or the only beg. When I see example for thing where young man don't do it. Yes, that way first talk say Operation Keep in Konsamba Clean. I be taking that for clear place and sweep them. How we used to sweep them for Douala for Thursday. Now 3 Operation Keep in Konsamba Clean. You see that kind young people they still get energy for do something. If you don't go, get work with government, if you work farm. So one day where now still Okada people them they where they drive Okada they feed their family, but this one they decide say they will thief na thief. So they go thief even some woman a work man. Wow, where would they see them for this? So a bit shameful. A bit shameful. See as they stand, young people them they decide for choosing a that kind of profession. Say they will thief na thief. If you imagine if you give value for that in the way they thief na hundreds na million, but now.
Only that 2 or you say 2 or 3 Okada.
Na 5 Okada.
I say if you say 1 or 2, you get at least 1
good.
million.
You say so. Think the way they pack them for they get a whole magazine until they sell and give receipt. You know how many people they don't kill them for take that Okada them. We don't know. So we clap for that man, that commandant where they send and so. I beg, make old people they start go retirement. Now when I give young people the chance, when our city where they will do more than till where. Commandant from Konsamba don't do and so.
Jones, you don't see with your eye. Operation Konsamba Clean, phase 1. The first result.
Yes, I think that first result will give for clap hand plenty for that commandant where the CE be very energetic, be strong. I think say now so with the expect some uniform people that they work, no be saying that they harass civilians and they take 500 or they hold them for ID card for nothing. They will get for the 2 enquête, so they put hand for these bad people then way they don't put hand on top. So because you look the value as Oga Jan talk for that in the way still for floor. So my tell that is so go open my magazine for brocante. Open BB magazine for brocante. You don't know that if car go there for inside. But when that thing they will put people put their house only for country here, will not be fighting. They will fighting at all because you see how Oga Jan they talk say that when I walk some woman eating. Who know whether na woman or na man because now so some man picking they don't turn woman. So man, they don't turn man picking. So they know who to use that kind thing. But I say they don't tip some man eating. So I go so the point finger to for governor. Even though through the commandant, governor not do your own work, but I will talk say more only one fire cash so that we will begin fire water for quench the fire. We will see how we put the use them in order because so what they do now because even Bible tells say idle mind and devil workshop. Because when you be idle, you should not go one place. The next thing I say, me begin to look in the way, concern you. And for last first one of the four inside this kind of situation. So me government see how you go make sure me the youth them be job creator. Because they talk job creation, it goes beyond what the people that they sing for all time. See the thing where this young man don't do and this commandant don't do, but so all commandant in the way they can't go retirement, but they never achieve nothing. All they know now how to take money, put up for pocket. That thing say government begin for encourage that young man he work. So that other one they see from the motivation and the encouragement from the government, they go follow the same footsteps, do their own fine work too, so that they will give them rank there. Because normally for military, they give rank according to how they work. Now this kind of work then, so give they make a man rank that they act. No be say you go shit down because you know man for your own day, you make call, they add you rank then no be so. They make us put they be lazy. If military men they be knows why you do fine work, they verify that the work be fine because you go talk to someone to they go harass. Innocent people they go for sure they say that they do fine work, but when no be fine work. But this one be clear because we see the evidence and the people the way they want put hand for them and that's what I want to say. When they put hand for this kind of people, but they not leave them after because you will say and so. Some more that they put them in prison 2 weeks after, you see that they begin to turn for outside. And man will begin to run a man for some gendarme man, and he go there for inside trouble.
And the gendarme man self talk say if they get the kind of result. The time population over from concern back to them too, they don't decry they hear but now them they work with gendarme people them before this result they come out bet you know give name them but say for sake as a population be work with them now where they get that good result. And for inside Douala here for a judicial police station for Bonanjo another case will be seen inside the week when I also work for uniform people them now some 2 man picking the way they suspect them for inside the chapter say they so they can knock stick for some man in moto, then they run go with them for that side. So for Yawende, one of them, he come, the one with the red clothes. Now he come talk say this so he come for a Douala here, and he be the pretend he like the man way he did so na moto for talk say he come now like big man for Ngomna work. Henry in Sama when I say be the man under anti-gang. Now I say we do this investigate where they can thief some man in moto, then they run go with them and they talk for the man say this so they go pay plenty money. Now for Yasawe the Naki, but lucky say the man no be that. Moku show na the moto too, where they thief am for that side, so for inside place, where they call and say judicial police, and so talk, they come to see this man, they hire he, after the man don't finish on top with them, then he want go, they say make he levy for Yasa, for that side, for some quiet place. Now for the way they knock this man, then they push it for one side, they take the moto go, but that's so talk, as so me I don't already call them, it shows say na inter-urban thief people them, they come here in the country for Douala, then they return back for here on the beds. It no be day that day, as so uniform people they put hand for their skin. And inside the same judicial police station, this week we pass, Warren, make we enter for this other case. Now 4 of them, where they catch them, they show we for them. Now young boy, the way they did between the age, they get 19 to 22, where they show with them inside judicial police station also for this week. They say the boy them, they be don't chop plenty money for back Samuel Eto'o. Then they go make a face, go make profile or make page under the name for Samuel Eto'o for Facebook. Then they use a knock people them stick for say they go help them say take them go for bush for say may they go knock Ndamba. But Sabisef say after plenty investigate now way the commander for that side too now be get the work the one we get the investigator under hand Commander Latte Francis SSF or commissioner now way he help so take the casual and the number the first group this for boys already they use Samuel Eto'o name for knock stick for people them plenty of them the day where they don't show with them we all them that they use now the same style for knock people them stick for take money, but last, they ever pick them. So, another group for young boys them, Jones, these 2 case them, we don't talk case of moto, and we talk case them too for where they use fake identity for take people them for social media.
You see, most of the time, when I talk, I go to look my own thing, my own kind of way, some put the fish over that, also they man a Christmas. You know, say my way, they did not stick, na my way long eye. if you no get long eye, they go hardly knock you stick. Long eye, wait.
But Jones, a man will cut you. If you meet us some picture for Facebook, it show like, say for instance, some big man, no common name like Ito. Then Ito they write you, they guy, then he tell say, "Why help you take you go for bush, but you need for so." You say self some one time your head no go stand.
No, I tell you something. Nothing good comes easy for the life. No, nothing very good. They come easy. We see how money strong for us here, ambassador. Before they want pay for this, that's where they work so. You the one from morning to evening, all man is here. Before you get some more dough. But some man go come and tell you, say, give me 100,000. Inside 2 weeks, they can't give you 50,000. Like interest. You say, hey, you the one money, don't share money for your family member. If flop with them before you can share them for a stranger. And then you come out and things. I say, if the young man stick, now man will get long eye. Because they go only bring story where go seduce you. You don't understand. So I may first comment for the motor man for motor. Wait, I want to do that motor, I know the C number for taxi for the. Which is the motor no be a taxi.
No, private.
It been a private motor Lando. So we see the disadvantage. Time where you go work, different man you work. You don't be taxi man, but you want carry for because they don't propose you BB money. For like so long I where they talk for you so for last fight you enter inside bad people that are your hand. Thank God they don't
3,000 for 1 hour.
3 times 1 hour. For night. Well, you know you work taxi.
No, for daytime.
Okay, and then now thank God they don't key. And we thank to government of the anti-gang the way they do that fine work for say they don't investigate they put on the bad people. I would point to government for one hand because you go see so when they say me that they pay me we negotiate salary with your employer and they say me they pay you 36,000 francs a month. With the 6 of that my salary they small pass the way they live life. We go come for work for even now so carry or come work carry motor where they use and go work for say me work and make taxi Clando. For put small for pocket so that I go put money small for your table. Now so they can and for inside part for their hand. So I think say when government catch this kind of people, so they set good example. Knock them casting go for such a way they want the way they would think come. Because some touch where they touch one of them for that bonanjo. Where they be tied the man almost upside down so the man when they talk for him you want say I no go do am again. No be say some man talk for you. They do that kind of 5 days you come out again. That mean say they need for go
prayer for you.
Prayer for you to deliver in a one pocket anointing oil. Come on for that young boy the way that they get long eye. I think say we parents we don't fail for train picking them because picking them don't need to train picking them for school. For school they teach picking how to behave for society and for right and for it. But training where they talk say education they command from house. Now they teach picking how for life they how they not give for thief, how you give for respect elders, how you give for that education, that basic education they come from home. But when you fail for give picking that education, the society quarter go train the picking, and when they train for quarter, not go be favorable for you. That's why we go see picking for 19 years. For because for instance schools and now you hear the palabra portefeuille magic poster. Where they work inside school, the way young picking they want the gain money where they know the work. Now education where their part they don't fail, and they can't think the way what TV they do they show them. They can't film the way government don't live on TV they show them. Telenovelas, all kinds in the way that they show them to the way no the help for educate our young ones them where they make and they fall inside this kind of thing them. So I think say and then another thing where it been I say me parents them make sure say as we define money past time we are picking them for know how way they work and we one born picking them 2 born them for the way you fit take care for. Because by the time you born and plenty, we don't take care for plenty. Last 5 prostitutes go come up for inside, people go come up for inside, and society go suffer. So, me they punish that picking them. Fine, punish them fine. And support the two that they use social media. Social media fine and you fine. As that day they show you how they thief gas for up the way help governor to put on other people them. Social media will for say when you go for social media. Even man fi hide for back ambassador a picture, begin take money for you. If you get serious discussion with person. No go through social media. If you get business for talk with person, you don't have me tell you. Instead they talk say send money for mobile money or give wait nobody see no go. Meet up the person face to face for an open place. We put the go there the year when they talk. Be very careful when person talk for you can't talk palava money.
Okay, John, this different case for insecurity or thief for the week for judicial police station.
Yes, thank God say they not kill that man as all we would talk. But the man two way be use motor for go make Lando na wrong thing. And the press say that 2 people the way they cash and so may their leave may not be na 2 years, be like 10 years, so that may they rest fine. Because if you give them 2 years leave, they continue. Now work not the first time that way they do that kind of work. Now work where they don't start doing since, and now because they kind they leave them. The people they married even at 15 years leave, so they made a rest fine
When they come
for
out, they don't
Gata.
power no go there.
Yes, when they come out, power no there as we talk. Then for boys them, our talks in a society where we live today, now they make all these things. Formerly, as social media not be there, the kind thing they not be they happen. But because of social media, where be good and bad, would they blame the youth there? Youth they can't see place where the body chop money.
You the one
You where the work, where you get salary, you know fit chop money as the body chop am. Now wait it be where all my one go now for bush. Bush it be fine for first time, but even now bush it not be an easy thing. For man for succeed for white man country today, you know the kind way. And you know if you meet up person, say may send it for white man country, you know they see the person, but they also send money. Any man where they send money for social media for some person, now wrong. So may what use them the year. I know say everything where we talk, they enter for it, they come for it because they don't already be used to. They will tell you say my V, now my life. No man no get life. Use them on a year. If not so, they on a life or end up for prison.
All right. Good advice from Papa for picking them too, and lucky say again to Papa them for picking from a corner. So no man no they single for talk say never get picking where they look at them. Now we go open small talk on top problem for Northwest and Southwest inside the Victory Pass. People them from village for Mwa subdivision for Northwest. Them too they be come up for outside where they talk say another ethnic group it don't decide for take power for their hand. They say they killed some big mammy, so they mammy them for inside that village from village for subdivision for Northwest. They carried it their body ton and they blame Sena for Sika say they don't give gun for some particular ethnic group say maybe they be vigilante. Where them too they don't take power just now for their hand for duty way it concern them. So they beg. Now say men governor he try for look this chapter this problem. Die, it don't tire plenty of the people them. Oga Jang, na just one of plenty in them. With the come na time we at least governor be greasing na them be naka 5 bungong for that side so for from do council. But this other case, this mommy around that kind of 80 something years where they kill him when a different ethnic group. It will no want cause confusion, so no need for call the ethnic group. But they sabi themselves for inside the village.
That mammy where they kill and so and the one where they should don't fall down. Only curse where that people they don't take them. For say may kill mammy for 80 something years where they prepare and die way for die quietly. It been a very bad thing. All this one are because of this problem we'll get them for Cameroon. If this problem, for first time man be the whole gun go shoot monkey for bush, they need the halai. But today, gun it don't be a something where when they see with person for villages there. They call you another name. May government solve this problem. See the kind, mammy, the way they come out. Only talk where they will move and from up. It will catch person where they do and so.
Jones,
I go wake up for politician for talk, and then I for politician where I will talk say you don't say we no call any group in name me I will call and borrow people. And they do that thing because for that side for Northwest, as na grassland. But whatever they live in Bororo, we are Wusade. So this community, they get cow. Most of they live on cow already. So when they read a cow, most of the time cow they work at destroy, they might their crops. As not dressing, so you want on that maybe we don't work in Jamajama for some side for some corner water. Sometimes cow can mash
for lumber.
For lumber. Sometimes cow can spoil them. You want to complain for that people now they use violence because as now gun them day for their hand. Because some people that want to use them for fight to other people. Gun they sit inside the hand because Grand Atango we talk say now only the Republican forces put the uniform put and get the monopoly for carry gun. How come it can be say some individual for that very zone, Northwest and Southwest, get gun where they no be uniform people in the name of vigilante? I think say it no be correct. If they been a vigilante, they begin to get and stick them, they begin working with them. Because you never can keep power for man when you don't get military training. You don't know how to retain yourself when if be face to face with a situation. Because you give me person like John Stanford now gone. I've been a person who have been my anger, they ever go in a one for far. So that my woman fit turn me back for night I take gun. Mama told me back I first take gun. So they gave a gig gun from how they run training, say they good things so no be toy, no be play. if you show person so you press on button and die the follow. So I think say as per John don't talk, time don't reach where government go see how they go solve this problem because the atrocities don't do too much. Because people already die all day with the talk and the break, so nobody na put their pa, na put their massa, na put their pikin, na put their mommy, na put their grandmammy. What they die so because you stand on side, you don't know the impact. You don't know put the cry for bad man where he don't die. Na human beings, all life matter. Make government see into how they go solve this problem. As we talked earlier, military people they die, civilian they die, in Changshu but in bush they die. Waiting with the gain among killing ourselves and smiling. Because you go hear the one go kill, they go say they go declare say we don't kill the one. The other side go kill say we don't kill the one. How would he derive pleasure on top blood, pleasure on top pains, on top of blood that blood would be glad? No be no victory. Victory never ever come up for war. Victory come at time when you your brother when I sit down for table talk say mu work and so mu work and so mu work and so. Drink some low, knock up, and then for the way that they call and say victory no before killing. So me Mr. Bia would still call you, pa. Look for where you go solve this problem. We know say you know we will solve this problem. Knock out on top table. Make this problem be solved. Because as long as this war will continue, gun the entire even Christmas in hand, it will take and finish the whole village day. All people that go so the rape as they rape some picking for class 6. That kind of go so the worker. They go suspend man say I bought a day for inside bush. They go catch and beat them. How would they beat fine for Ndude? So that so their atrocities and they misuse of power will also continue. For saying all that thing they stop, now saying we will stop this war. So we call Pa, Mr. Bia, help, because we don't die too much. 4 years, don't count the past na past. So we not gonna 6 years, 10 years, 20 years. I beg, people don't die plenty. People they don't run for their houses. They don't bomb villages. Them, may this thing come to an end.
All right, and we go remain for zone for Northwest for talk say this week we finish. Congo side be the talk say this way be get for go now for go see boys there they don't left gun them way it dey so they want meet up official but the thing no be so Great Tango be go for that side where they call them say Northwest this week we just finish country people them and sabi say waka for Great Tango as so talk Congo side if dey na say waiting if you want go meet up some boys there they don't left gun way be one show for population be last they think canton be some kind of way but he last end up he go for that side so for barefoot. Now, office that for divisional officer for inside Bafut where they so they don't burn them 2 years now. Where it they so governor if you don't the check sense who go do the work, who no go do the work. All contractor they say that place, na place where the kene last. Now uniform people them soldier work where they go do place where Great Tango they come out. Now place where uniform people they go turn up for look and the officer will enter. It shows say na officer they don't just do some small cut and nail for inside and the deal he never work for them for the past 2 years. It needs office to work in them inside for you for work for this. So now the officer will grant and go see and then they meet up some of these gun them where they say they don't hide them for lower Bafut side as we Tori enter for inside with ESA gendarme people then say they go commode that gun them where they say now boys are with the gun they don't hide them for inside some place for lower Bafut but they work for Great Tango as we talk every day now for go to receive some boys them. But Congo side, he talk for we say the thing, he begin as he day, he no be last waka. Great Tango talk say any man where he one left gun, make he hold white handkerchief for one hand, he hold peace plant, then he go left the gun with uniform people. They say if uniform people they see with that one, they no go shoot and but if they come empty with the gun, automatically go check say you been a enemy for them and they say if they fear, if the boys they fear for give gun for any governor workman or even the uniform people them, may they meet up father them, pastor them, chiefs or quarter head, may they left them with the gun, the quarter head then they will carry the gun them, they go give and then the boy then too. The figure for DDR center for some of the Usabi say plenty of them they don't drop. But they never go for the DDR center, but they don't decide say they no go do them again.
Ambassador, I don't thief story for your hand. I like the work away Grand Tango worker, and for the farm work to where military people they don't do where they go, they chavu, the way they inside bush. But the question why they ask myself now say when this body they come over social media sometime then. You see that they move their own video and to put on social media. They can't go with the way that they carry them and they go the way they see them for TV. But they show them way that they can't drop them. I know they understand what did happen. When they want the way they hold chap that they can't drop gun, when they want the way they hold baby gun that they can't drop gun. But then we started dropping gun and dropping gun. Now, the question why don't they ask myself now say, this government, we are the work and how? Because I know they understand. How will people that will catch them in relation to this crisis? Because they find themselves for the wrong place at the wrong time. They be there for maybe they catch become down. So when they see the prison till today, almost 3-4 years today. So when they see the prison with the talk, but the one that they don't hold gun, so they point them for my face, shoot them. They there for DDR center. Who the fool who? Who not became work inside back? If government will forgive people the way they don't carry gun for hand, shoot. And then I think say individuals them like Mancho BBC. When they don't shoot each other, is a coffin. Don't say this trouble don't over too much. We come and solve our problems. I think say they forgive for this Mancho. If they not release that people, they don't catch them voting the way concern gun. And then tell people the way where they catch them with gun, where they carry gun, shoot people them. And after carry a gun gear, they forgive them, go put them for DDR center, defeat them. So they say that they go on strike, they move 4 million, 3 million. What's on that? They for go beat on school for Manganderi Garwamarwa because school they not there with them. They for beat on classroom for those so that people they don't go start the under rain and under sun. They go carry and go ex-combatant. That means who be your own case be worse? The man who they catch you for IT card or the man who be just come on you own the work or peace plan they catch you go lock him or the one who don't carry gun shoot military man where they don't keep what they are so that they fit see. So they when you come over strike, you come over say one go China about they go catch you go lock him. When they come over go try to give them 3 million. Government I don't understand me how well when they worker. I think say if we want to forgive gun people they don't drop gun. When I forgive to the hand where they be match empty hand. What they don't catch put up inside prison. Me government grant the presidential pardon. Me they release all the prisoners there where they be match and work and worker. If not, me law because when I talk to Cameroon a country of law. Me law judge that for them that terrorism law for 2014. Me judge order body where they did TTR. Me they face the wrath of the law because they committed crimes against humanity and they should be punished for that. So nothing that way I get for talk.
Okay, before we finish, Oga Jamibi will trace some talk concerning this case for Bamenda too.
Yes, and also grant and go to fees. They play or win. But the problem why they ask and I say, you don't talk something where it draw my attention. They gone where they show them for social media where that championship boy they the whole. Do one a bit like say they don't pass na command say man make them gone. May they go show and say na gone then this way that boy they release her. Now this part too. They use and first time they kill na bushfire. Now so you why they show them for television so say they don't catch them. The problem for Cameroon now who the fool who don't know Cameroon. People who will still know Cameroon. Not only that group of people then they many group of people then they where they know where they fight for Cameroon say they want separation. Even government get the own people then. But the problem I say if you want to solve the problem, not look thing where it be happen. Find a solution, say the thing he end. If Pat and go talk say they go look at that boy the way they don't leave gone. Then at the scene as they show in a house where they don't burn them for barefoot.
That one at the former house for
I need to understand.
Now the former deal,
former deal office.
You know, they begin for fix and after now the uniform put them and they go fix and so the new one will the enter and the new one they just come out fix.
Then secondly, question why they ask Cameroonians the way they wash it. Now who go show that people them place where they keep gone? Because they just say they go discover them. Why they not be discover and since where that boy they start use gun? So when we check our sense, if we talk say that gun them. Sometimes a carpenter make them say may they go may they show.
Okay, and country people them before we come out Warren we get case for person we don't lost. If we get that photo for that picky way lost, they call in Saint Catherine Olivia where he don't lost now 7 years old picking as we Tori enter for we here where he come out for house on number 25 day for February he never turn it back since we come out so maybe if you show now the photo they will get contact on top of that chapter will get number 16 now the last element will get them for day for just for Terry on top this photo so that will come out on top the photo for case for person lost we will na Sabi's episode, he used to announce that one too. The pikin name na Saint Karen Olivia, where he lost, and 7 years, he don't come off for house since, na the pikin be that. And the mommy, the beg, any person who don't see this pikin, he be come off for the house on call me tack, he never turn it back again for Rue de Pavé. And mommy, the beg, say any person who see the pikin, 698-224-699, 653-233-946, number where the fuse and for call them. Or if you take and go for any police, gendarme, office, where it dey for corner. Now, so we see for Inside PG News Debate. The last one for the month for February. Jones, thank you plenty for your time.
Thank you plenty, Ambassador. Na fine team when we can prove to so for say we go push country for fun. I hope so we never vex no man. Also we do now for say make country go before.
Thank you plenty, Oga Jan, and we also talk with the one that says so he turn back is strong again, is strong past Castle. May that signal put you down again.
No, that's it. Be that Karaku don't pass. Na bad win will be the blue.
Okay.
So me too. I thank you for the time where you call we and we thank Equinox Television for the good work where they do, and the military people there where they follow good step where they walk. They are work fine.
All right, and just for Sabi say Equinox Story House again, he don't win big for Mediatude Award. 24 categories, Tory House, he win 10 out of the 24, win a good team. For Thursday, Tory House, he know the sleep at all for inside class. We go meet up again for Monday. When at the first day, we'll go meet up for inside match, if Papa God agree. Thank you plenty, Carlos Minue. Thank you to plenty for that side. Danny Warenze de Malis. Or Nabi Joyhan for CC make things they happen fine for this side. Now, so for Monday, if Papa God agree, on a hold am tight.